So today, I'll be going to demo about average sale per item by category and pivot table. First, click the active cell E12 and go to Insert and Pivot Table. In the window that appears, go to the Row Data Sheets and press Ctrl plus A to select the entire dataset. After selecting, confirm by clicking OK or click the Enter twice. In the Pivot Table fields, find Category and mark as check and the price per unit. Then highlight all the average of price per unit. After that, and then tap the right click of the mouse, then tap number format and tap accounting. Then change the decimal places into 2 and the symbols into none, then OK. Tap again the right click of the mouse and go to the decrease decimals and click it twice. After that, click the values and tap the value field settings and change sum to average. Then click OK. Finally, find the category with the highest average price and highlight it with a green fill color to make it stand out. So the category that has the highest average price was main course.